In today's video we are going to talk about the La Niña that is forecasted to continue into this upcoming winter. We will start out by looking at the Niña 3.4 index, which shows the average sea surface temperature anomalies over the region that they decide whether it is an El Niño, INSO-neutral, or a La Niña. And as of right now it sits at an average of -0.723 below average, meaning we are in a weak La Niña. A La Niña is when this area is more than -0.5 degrees below average. And as we look at the Climate Prediction Center's forecast, it shows that there is a 70 to 80% chance it lasts through the winter. There is still a small chance an INSO-neutral could occur, which is when temperatures are less than 0.5 degrees Celsius above average and warmer than -0.5 degrees below average. Now let's take a look at the sea surface temperature anomalies. And you can see from South America westward along the equator, the below-average sea surface temperatures that are causing the La Niña. Here is what a typical La Niña pattern looks like. In the Pacific Northwest it is usually wetter than average and the Southwest is typically drier. The northern plains usually see below-average temperatures and it makes for a really cold winter. Meanwhile the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes see temperatures closer to average with above-average precipitation, sometimes leading to above-average snowfall. A southeast ridge is common in La Niña winters, and that is why the southeast typically sees above-average temperatures in La Niña winters. Not all La Niña winters are the same though, some are stronger than others and can cause different impacts in different areas depending on the strength. This winter looks likely to be a weak La Niña, and this is a map of temperature anomalies during weak La Niña winters since the year 2000. From Washington over to Wisconsin you can see below-average temperatures are common, with the coldest temperatures compared to average in Montana and the western Dakotas. Meanwhile the whole southern half of the United States and the Northeast is typically above average. Here is the precipitation averages in weak La Niña years since 2000, and for the most part areas see around average precipitation. But the Southeast does see some below-average precipitation, except for parts of Mississippi and Tennessee. The Great Lakes have seen slightly above-average precipitation in recent weak La Niñas. Now I want to show you your average high temperatures during these winters, ranging from the teens and 20s in the upper Midwest to 60s and 70s in the South. Now here is the low temperatures, with single digits in the upper Midwest and 50s and 60s in Florida. Now the part that I'm sure most of you are interested in, the snowfall anomalies. Here is during all La Niña winters, the Northwest and upper Midwest range mostly from 2 to 4 inches above average, whereas parts of the Southwest and Mid-Atlantic average 2 to 4 inches below average. But we are expecting a weak La Niña, so here is the anomalies for weak La Niña winters since 1950. And much of the northern third is above average, with lots of areas ranging 4 to 12 inches above average. The Southwest still is below average though. But if you live in the northwestern U.S., upper Midwest and more interior parts of the Northeast, it could be a snowy winter ahead. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.